Hello, welcome to my channel. This is part 1 video regarding to statistics in the 10th standard. One chapter is there, that is statistics. In this video we are going to learn how to find the mean by direct method. So in this chapter we are going to learn some concepts, that is mean, median and mode with ogive graph. So first one is to find the mean value for given data. How to find the mean value for given data? This is the first concept we are going to learn in this chapter. The second concept is median. How to find the median value for given data. The third concept, how to find the mode value for given data. At last, to draw ogive graph for given data. Next, in the later videos, we are going to learn how to find the median and mode. See, for mean value, for finding the mean, there are three methods in your syllabus. That is direct method, assumed mean method and a step deviation method. Once again I am repeating here, for finding the mean there are three methods. First one is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, third one is step deviation method. For direct method, here it is the formula: x dash is equal to summation of fx divided by n, where x dash is mean, f is the frequency of data, x is the midpoint and n is the total number of frequency. For assumed mean method, this is the formula: x dash is equal to a plus summation of fd divided by n, where a is assumed mean and f is the frequency and d is the deviation. Later I will explain. For third one, step deviation method, x dash is equal to a plus h into summation of fu divided by n, where a is the assumed mean, h is the size of the class interval. These are the methods of finding the mean. Let's see with an example. I am going to show how to find the mean by direct method. In this video only one the problem, that is how to find the mean. Mean is equal to summation of fx divided by n. This is the formula. See one example: find the mean value for given data. Here is class interval, frequency. Class interval 0 to 4, 5. 5 means it is frequency. 4 to 8, 3. 8 to 12, 1. 12 to 16, 4. 16 to 20, 5. And last 20 to 24 is 2. These are the given data. Let's see how to find the mean by direct method. Before that, here they given class interval and frequency. There are two columns are given, that is class interval and frequency. Class interval we will write it as ci, and for frequency f. The next column is x. What is this x? X is the midpoint of class interval. Every class interval we will take the midpoint of that class interval, that is denoted as x. And at last fx. Fx means by multiplying the f column and x column we get the fx. In the 8th standard we are already learnt about this. See, 2 is the midpoint of that class interval 0 to 4. How it comes to 2? By writing all the numbers from 0 to 4, 2 is the midpoint. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is the midpoint. Like that. From 4 to 8, write all the numbers: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 4 to 8. Which is the middle number? Which is the midpoint or middle number? 6. So here is the 6. Like that. 8 to 12. I am writing directly here 10. For 12 to 16, 14. For 16 to 20, the midpoint is 18. and for 20 to 24 midpoint is 22. This is the midpoint or x value by direct method. And the last column is fx. What is this fx? By multiplying the f column and x column we got fx. See, first number 5 and second number is 2. 5 2s are 10. In the column of fx we will write 10. Next 3 6s are 18. 1 10s are 10. Next 14 4s are 56. And 18 5s or 5 18s are 90. Then 2 22s or 22 2s are 44. So we got fx column. And what is this n? N is the total number of frequency. All by adding the all numbers in f column we got the n. According to that formula, x dash is equal to summation of fx. What is this summation of fx? We found fx, but what is this summation of fx? Summation of fx means by adding all the numbers in fx column we got summation of fx. Yes, by adding these numbers we get the summation of fx. See, 10 18 20 10 56 90 44. Add this all. 8 plus 6 14. Sorry, 18. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 4. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 5 total is 22. So 228. According to formula, summation of fx divided by n. This is the formula to find the mean value. Here we got the summation of fx value, that is 228, and here is the n value, that is 20. By dividing 228 divided by 20 we get 11.4. See, put the value of summation of fx 228 and put the value of n, that is 20. By dividing 228 by 20 we got 11.4. What is this 11.4? 11.4 is the mean value for given data. This is direct method. In the next video I will explain what it is, the second method, assumed mean method. How to find the mean by assumed mean method.